So this is the 3-bedroom. Let's go inside so I'll show you. So right there is an apartment. That's a service apartment there. So if you step in, you see this is like your car parking space. So you can park up to 3 cars here. Then this leads to the kitchen, and this is your backyard. This is more of your backyard. So let's step inside. I step in, you see this door. This is a very quality door. Then this is more of an ante-room and your visitor's toilet. Then you step into the parlor. This is how spacious it is. So you have a chair here. This is probably where you get the TV console, and here can be your dining area. Oh, here is the dining area. Then this is the kitchen. See, we use marble here. Then your fridge, then your store. So this is the backyard that I showed you earlier. That's the backyard to the kitchen. I'll show you there. So let's check out the visitors room. So this is the visitors room. Quite, this is the wardrobe, properly ventilated. And this is the shower. So let's go upstairs so you see. So if you don't know what to use this for, we can turn it to a shortlet for you. So here we have 1 door, 2 door, and 3 doors. So let's check out the masters. This duplex can generate minimum of 150,000 daily as investment. So this is the masters, very spacious. And this is the wardrobe, very massive wardrobe. So from here you can see the masters. Then this is your shower, very spacious. Even if you're very fat, you can bath here. You can see how spacious it is. Then when you step out of the shower, you see your toilet and your window. So let's get to the other rooms upstairs. If you are watching this video and you know that you have a big uncle or you can buy this property, what you need to do is to look for my number in the description and give us a call. Okay, give us a call. And also, if you like what I do here in Imo State, Nigeria, you can also like my video and leave a positive comment below. Yeah, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So this is the view you get to have when you're here. You can see the view, very nice. So this one is also 3-bedroom duplex, and it's going for the same price. Okay, I'll leave all the price in the comment section. Okay, yeah. So, but this one has more compound than this one. So this can contain up to 3 cars as well. But you see how they designed it so you can accommodate more cars. So this one can accommodate better cars than this one. Well, same price, so you know. So my people, it's about time we invest in our state. If you don't know what to use this property for, number one option for you is to use it as your family home because it's within town and it's very accessible. Then the second option is to turn it to a shortlet where it can generate almost 150 to 200,000 every day, depending on how you furnish it. Then thirdly is just to rent it out for minimum of 4 million to 8 million annually. So the choice is yours. Okay, I have helped so many families grow their wealth, so you can be the next. It's hard time we start investing in our states. So if you're from Imo and you're watching this video, kindly hit me up so you can start your investment today. We also have lands here in Owerri. We have other duplexes here in Owerri. So if you have a property that you want us to help you and develop, you can also reach out to us because we also develop. Or you want to furnish your house, or you want to upgrade. What I mean furnish, let's say you built your house a full duplex and you want us to furnish everything. We also do that as well. But construction as well, we do construction. So it's that time you start investing in Imo. You is you that I'm talking to you. You that's watching this video and you're from Imo. Okay, hit me up. Let's get you started. Okay. And if you love this video, kindly hit the subscribe button so you can see updates like this coming your way, and also like and share to your family and friends who are looking to buy house in Imo. This might be their dream home. Okay. See ya.